doing it, and the whole thing. Thank you for taking care of those. Yes, thank you, Dan. Thanks for joining us, brother. Thank you, Gene Riley. This is a resurrection. Roland says this is a resurrection of sorts. We're keeping their spirit alive, making sure that, you know, their descendants can still come and visit them. Making sure that they are honored. But it's a pretty cool job. Pretty cool job that we get to do here. Something you don't ever see. I don't know that anyone's ever recorded it. Hey, 125 likes, guys. Thank you so much. And here is that headstone from the beginning of the video that you saw us clean off. And then here are a few more as we go along. These ones have already been cleaned off, like I said. As time goes on, you can see how much clearer and how much cleaner that D2 works just on its own over time. It continues to eat away at that algae and the bad bacteria on it and just cleans them right off. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more updates.